Our top-notch technical team did not have the cameras running.
Sure, why
would they?
Why would they? It's a two-man operation.
You have no budget.
That requires a third man.
Yeah, and there's no third man.
Yeah, well, we're using artificial intelligence based on our intelligence.
Which is less than intelligent.
There we go.
I'm gonna throw my money in the honey pot. It doesn't matter if it's the last dollar that I've got. We're gonna flip these pallets and make these dollars. Turn a nickel into 15 cents. Make that money. Turn a nickel into 15 cents. Make that money.
So we're going to reverse reveal this pallet.
Yes, so
So we're going to start with the best thing.
Yeah, I think go.
And work our way backwards.
Yeah.
This is a stainless steel 72-inch fan.
Yeah, Slinger V2, $560 on Lowe's right now. Why do we think we're in possession of this?
We're in possession of this because somebody bought a fan and got home and realized that 72 inches was not the normal size for a fan.
No.
It's probably twice as big as a normal fan.
Yes.
So
And
some woman was disappointed again
Again.
for like the 30th time this month.
Brewing 30-inch LED stainless steel range hood, easy $300.
I agree.
You got a trash can in box, brand new. Which top? That's a good $30.
Probably, yeah.
We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 mailboxes. It's the inside vent side, vent top, side dent. Doesn't look bad. That looks like a brand new perfect mailbox.
Nice and light. Bent side? There's no bent side. Well, hold on, right here.
Was it?
Well, it's bent because you put that piece of wood in there and screw it together and it all tightens up. So somebody went, oh, that stuff's bent. Based on statistical analysis, all 6 of these mailboxes are perfectly good.
Yeah. So that sounds
Boston,
20. Shower.
20.
20.
Outdoor motion capture light, 20.
Service element, $10.
Service element.
Like a stove. LED light, $10. Flashlight, $10. Got $10 mouse blocks. Carbon dioxide alarm. It is 50 degrees in this room right now. We have heaters going everywhere. We probably need this carbon dioxide alarm. $10. $20. Harbor Breeze, stainless, nickel plated, seal
Covered in industrial glue.
That's okay.
$50?
$50 all day. 4 Cobalt shovels, $50. Someone shows up with a shovel like this, it's a man.
We have some Edison light bulbs, fake Edison LED light bulbs that are probably, Edison would be like,
I think we're at a strong, we think $859.
you know, the first time we revealed this, we came up to 80. I think this time, upon further reflection, we're probably 9. So still beneath the number you need to get a high five.
Oh, top time.
No. 1,000.
1,000.
No, our policy is no high fives under $1,000.
Well, I mean, you can sneak a high five whenever you want. I mean, if you feel like it.
If you can do this, 3 times in a row.
Sure.
That's 2.
Yep.
That's 3.
High five.
No, you have to do 3 times.
Oh, sure.
High five.